Repairing cars used to be about the consistent trade-off between the technical limitations of a diagnostic tool and the technician's repair plan vision. With the AUTEL MaxiSys Ultra, we are not going to be burdened with these constraints anymore. Technicians will be able to realize the repair process more easily, based on the testing they can perform with greater understanding. The Ultra has a ton of horsepower, which is easy to unlock, and it's a machine that is simple to navigate and test components with. The MaxiSys Ultra will present an industry shift to what repair techs will come to expect from their diagnostic tools. It will help them find the repair issue faster and more confidently, so they will worry less about a returning customer and focus more on their business. The new MaxiSys Ultra software will truly captivate technicians with the quality of testing options and success of the Repair Assist guidance. This new face of AUTEL will surprise and impress quite a lot of people, so please contact your local dealer to discuss the pricing and availability of the new MaxiSys Ultra.